To maximize my visit in California, I decided to do a trip to Los Angeles. It will only take a short hour flight, coming from Sacramento to LA. But to make it more exciting, I decided to go by a train. How? Continue watching this video. But before we proceed, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and put a thumbs up if you find this vlog helpful. A few days before my travel, I was torn between picking either to take the Flixbus or the Amtraks. Flixbus are bus rides going from different states, while the Amtrak service includes both bus and train. Di naman nagkakalayo ang presyo ng dalawang services, but I decided to take the Amtrak service due to the fact that I can experience both bus and train ride. The total cost was $59.75 or around 3,342 pesos. On the 18th of September, I asked Doc Eddie to bring me at the terminal of Amtrak in Sacramento. It is a must to arrive at least 30 minutes before the trip, so you can have time to make adjustments if necessary. From here, I will be riding a bus ride to Stockton, then transfer to a train to Bakersfield, then another bus ride from Bakersfield to Union Station in Los Angeles. Left 10:05 in the morning. Sit anywhere kami kasi di naman din punuan ng bus. Very spacious ang seats with laptop table and footrest din. After an hour, we arrive in Stockton. My next ride will arrive after 20 minutes kaya may time pa ako para mag-CR at maghanap ng pagkain.
So guys, dito na tayo sa Stockton and we're just gonna wait for the train that will arrive at around 11:30. Pero we have like 20 minutes to find food. So, hanap muna tayo ng pagkain. So, nag-CR tayo guys. Para makapasok ka dito sa CR ng Stockton, kailangan mapakita yung ticket mo. And bibigyan ka ng key. Kasi meron nakalock siya. Hanap na tayo ng food.
Dumating ang train namin on time and it only took a few minutes to do the boarding. Kaya medyo nagmamadali na din ako at di nakapag-video.
Once again, folks, place your bags in the lower level racks. Take a seat upstairs. General seating is upstairs. Last call for 712. Last call for Stockton on the board.
It was a two-story train and I decided to go up on the second floor para mas scenic ang view. Sit anywhere din ito and ang luwag lang ng mga upuan. It also got a laptop tray, a footrest, and a huge window for that scenic view. By the way, may conductor pala sa train at sa bus that will check your tickets and will scan it, so always be ready to show it if necessary. The train also offers free Wi-Fi and entertainment services, where you can watch movies. May sapat din na saksakan and USB outlets to charge your gadgets. Honestly speaking, sobrang efficient and komportable ng ride na ito. Sinubukan ko rin mag-CR sa train. Actually, para siyang CR sa eroplano, pero medyo mas maluwag lang ito ng konti. Kung sakaling magutom ka rin, meron din silang tinatawag na cafe car na pwede mo i-check out. Kaya nung nagutom ako, trinay ko na rin umorder sa cafe car. Actually, pwede ka namang magbaon ng pagkain pero for experience, ginawa ko na din. Kahit alam ko na medyo overpriced ang mga pagkain sa train. I ordered a snack box and a beverage combo for $7. That includes hot dog, Cheetos, and choice of drink. Di masyadong filling pero okay na din para maitawid lang ang lunch. From Bakersfield, I transferred to another bus that will take me to Union Station in LA. I arrive in LA at around 4:05 p.m.
Union Station, guys.
That is roughly around 6-hour trip din from Sacramento to California.
Nagkamali ako ng intent eh. Yung palang bus na sinakyan ko, ang bababala is dito sa Union Station. Hindi pala LAX. Hindi pala LAX. Abbreviation lang pala nila yun. So ngayon, I need to figure out how to go to the airport. Kasi mas malapit din yung bahay nila. Jethro. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta, pero hopefully may stored value dito. So, try natin ito. Paper ride. Dito tayo sa may Union Station. Hindi ko alam kung pwede tayong sunduin dito. So, I don't know. So, ano to eh? Parang terminal ng mga bus. So, I guess nasa maling lugar ako. Or I should go to somewhere else. Nalilito ako! So guys, lumabas ako ng Union Station. Actually, nalilito ako sa train system nila. Bumili ako ng top card, hindi ko alam kung saan siya gagamitin. Parang timang, di ba? $10 din. $12 din yun. So, antayin lang natin sila, Ana. Naiya ako. Pero, bahala na. Hindi na raya eh. Actually, figure out ko sana kung paano pumunta ng airport a while ago. Kaya lang parang nalilito ako, hindi ko alam kung paano gagawin ko. So, lumabas na lang ako. Dito mas madali nila akong mag-pick up.
I met up with my host couple, Anna and Mark. And they took me to a Korean barbecue for dinner. After namin mag-dinner, dumiretso na rin kami ng LACMA to see it at night.
Kompleto ng gear si Haru.
Pag ato ang mga vloggers, ganun eh. Ganyan talaga ate mga
Vlogger ba si Haru?
Hindi.
Ano lang, mahilig lang
sa
siya.
buhay.
Hindi na sa gadget.
Hindi ko nga alam masaya. Oo.
And of course, the famous Rodeo Drive. On the next video, I'll be doing a solo exploration of Los Angeles. Hope you learned something. Until our next trip, this is Nognog in the City, signing off.